So, what drives you? For me, it's exploring the ocean and the marine life within. I spent the past 2 years at some of the most remote island chains in the Pacific Ocean, working at a marine conservation and research center. Here, the color of the ocean, the marine life and the biodiversity was just insane. I was fortunate enough to film some of my time here, and today I want to share some of those moments. Finally, I usually get asked about my gear, so I'm going to introduce it very quickly. I shot all the footage for this video using a combination of the GoPro HERO 8 and the HERO 9, with no filters or underwater housing attached. The only thing that I do attach to my GoPro is a 3-way mount from HSU. These mounts are a little cheaper than the original GoPro mounts, but I've been using this one for a couple months now and it's been working great so far. As of right now, it doesn't seem like it's close to breaking at all. And also the actual 3-way mount floats once you take the tripod part out, so you don't really have to worry about losing it when you're swimming around. And it also extends pretty far, so it gives you the extra reach needed to get closer to the marine animals when I'm filming underwater. So yeah, if you're looking for a handle to use when you're swimming underwater, then I definitely check them out. And that is going to be it for this video, so thank you for watching. See you in the next one.